Hello students, today I will discuss quadratic equation. This is the new chapter in NCERT book. Firstly, we know the history of the quadratic equation. Many people know that the Babylonians who first solved the quadratic equation. But after some times, a Greek mathematician Euclid give a geometrical approach to solve the quadratic equation. After some times, Indian mathematicians and philosopher name was Brahmagupta. He explained the formula in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. In that time, we use this formula as a standard form of the quadratic equation. This is the important formula who give the Indian mathematician Brahmagupta. Later, Sridharacharya, he is also Indian mathematician, he give the formula to solve the quadratic equation, also known as the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. He used Brahmagupta standard form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 and then give a formula for the x minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the important formula, very important formula, also known as the quadratic formula. This formula given by Sridharacharya. Okay students, so this is the little information about the quadratic equations. You have must to know about that information. Now we discuss the special topic quadratic equation. What is the quadratic equation? You know that quadratic means having the highest power of 2 in the variable. Equation means if a polynomial equate to the 0, that polynomial makes a equation. That means the quadratic equations are equation which have a degree of 2 or which have a highest power of the variable is 2, known as the quadratic equation. What is the standard form of the quadratic equation? Standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is the standard form of the quadratic equation. Here the coefficient of x square is a and the coefficient of the x is b and the constant number is c. Means a, b, c. A and b are the coefficients of x square and x respectively, and c is the constant. Okay students, now one terms is also derived in roots of the quadratic equation. Roots generally we know of alpha and beta. Alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation. You know that the number of solutions present in an equation are depend on the highest power, because in the quadratic equation, the highest power is 2. The highest power is 2, then it have must 2 solutions. So there are the 2 roots. Roots also known as the solutions. Okay? So students, there is a remark, if in the question asked to find the roots, that means find the solution of the equations. The solution of the equations are 2, one is alpha and second is beta. So alpha and beta also known as the roots of the equations. Okay students? So students, we discussed some examples related to quadratic equations. Sometimes in the examination, the question asks, find out the quadratic equations in the following given equations. हमें दिए हुए कुछ इक्वेशंस में से क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस को हमें फाइंड करना पड़ता है. ठीक है, तो सपोज दैट आपके सामने क्वेश्चन है दैट इज 2 प्लस एक्स टू होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू एक्स स्क्वायर। हमें यहाँ पे फाइंड करना है कि ये एक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है या नहीं है। तो हम अभी ऐसे इसको देख के नहीं बता सकते हैं। फर्स्टली वी सॉल्व द इक्वेशन। Here the formula is make a plus b to whole square, that means a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into a for 2x, b for 1, 2x into 1 is equals to x square, 4x square plus 1 plus 2 to the 4x equals to x square. X square is transferred to the left side, so x square, here x square is in positive side. When we transfer to the left side, you know that this sign makes the negative. Plus 1 plus 4x equals to 0. 4x minus x square comes 3x square plus 4x plus 1 equals to 0. So that this is the quadratic equation, because here the term comes to the square form. Means in this equation the highest power is 2. When highest power is 2 comes, that equation is known as the quadratic equation. So we write the yes, this equation is in the quadratic equations. Okay.